function, there are actually four components inside here. The first is the silicon chip that will absorb the X-ray energy and change it into light. Then there is a fiber optic coupling that will intensify the light, and light conversion into electricity will be done into another layer or another chip inside here, which works on two ways, either by a charged coupled device, or in the newer versions is the CMOS, that is the complementary metal oxide scintillators. So in reality, the function, actually here, this chip is, there is different types of energy conversion from X-ray photons to light photons, intensifying and then changing through the CMOS or the CCD, and then it changes to electricity. And the function, the rest of viewing or showing the imaging, is actually the function of the software that is attached to the computers. The light which is emitted in the intensifying screen, the silicon screen, is weak. So another layer which is placed in the behind the silicon chip inside here, plastic silicon chip, starts to glow in the light, absorb energy and lose it back into the form of light. The light which is emitted is weak, so it has to be intensified. So there is another layer here of an intensifying screen or fiber intensifying screen that will intensify the light which has been generated in the silicon chip. So a light is magnified now. The other layer, which is a fiber optic coupling, is going to change the light energy into an electric energy. And the specific type of electric energy here will be in a computer language. It is a 0-1 language. So either there is electricity or there is no electricity. Now if we go back here, we expect that there will be an electric charge presented from an image of a pulp, while that of the enamel has no electric charge, because there is no light basically that has been originated. Okay? So what we have done is X-ray photons passed through this plastic cover, okay, interacted with the silicon chip which is present. A silicon chip absorbed the energy, okay, and emitted it back into the form of light. Light will be intensified, okay, then this intensified light will be changed to electricity by a fiber optic coupling. The fiber optic coupling now will change once the light has been changed to electricity, it will travel through this cable to the computer. Okay? Now the computer will receive through the USB electricity, okay, into the 0-1 language, and then it will be processed into the software that is installed on your laptop, and the image will be directly displayed on your laptop as a image of a 256 image scale. Our eyes, by the way, can maximum differentiate around 16 shades, but the real image is 256. So we will see the pulp as radiolucent, the enamel as radio opaque, and the dentine and bone will appear as a gray appearance if it is really, if it is compared to enamel and pulp. So the contrast will differ, and we will end up with an image. So this is how it works. Basically, a conversion of energies: X-ray photon to light photon, intensifying the light, then changing the light to electricity by the fiber optic coupling, and then the electricity is processed inside the computer and the image is seen directly in your computers.